Anything else? Ayan, medyo marinig muna natin a speech from both of them. Let's start our first with Sian.
Yes, acknowledge ko rin yung mga pinsan ko. Nandito sila. My titas, nandito sila. Hello guys. Nandiyan kayo somewhere. Ayan, yung kumakoy. And, ayan. And the Philharmonic Orchestra, nandito sila. Thank you guys. Mahal na mahal ko rin kayo. And syempre sa Katji, maraming salamat. Dahil, pangilan na natin to. Pang 9 na block screening na nila. And they really give their all sa lahat ng projects na ginagawa namin. Puyat and especially their time, binibigay nila. So, ito maraming salamat to all the admins, sa lahat po ng pumunta. Thank you. Sana nag-enjoy kayo at sana nagkaroon kayo ng roller coaster of emotions. Ito si Kim.
Ay, una sa lahat gusto ko i-correct. Miss pa yung ate ko, hindi pa siya Mrs. Ikaw talaga pa siya. Yun siya. Hindi rin siya Mr. Miss Kang. Yun. Ayan, una sa lahat, syempre sa Katji, sa lahat ng buo-buo ng Katji. Sobrang maraming salamat. Grabe yung suporta ninyo sa pelikulang ito. Actually, sa aming dalawa ni Sian, yung support niya talaga. Hindi namin masusuklian yung binigay ninyong all-out support para sa aming dalawa. Sa lahat ng ginagawa namin, actually, sobrang kaming thankful na parte kayo ng success ng pelikulang ito. And sa lahat ng mga nandito, maraming salamat po. And masaya kami na naririnig yung mga tawa ninyo, yung mga palakpakan, yung mga sigawan. Siyempre, iba dito naluha, naiyak. Kaya yun, masaya kami na nag-pay off yung hard work namin. Kaya maraming salamat.
Thank you very much. Ayan, once again, palakpakan naman po natin sila. But of course, before we end this event, okay, Kim and Sian, ganito yan. We actually have a game for them. Actually, 2 questions lang, okay? But of course, you're gonna give away something for them kasi syempre malapit na ang ating Chinese New Year. Well, definitely you guys are gonna give something. We have their hair and paws, okay? Alright, okay. Alright. Okay. Oh, wait lang. Okay. Ganito yan. We want one participant here in front. Okay, you can pick one, Sian. Pick one. Sino po dyan? Ay, tumatakbo pababa. Okay. Ayan. Ay, Diyos ko. Ayan. Kim C fan, there you go. Okay. Ito muna, isa lang muna tayo. Okay. You're gonna give away 2 ampaws for him if he answers this correctly. Okay. Here's a question. Yeah, okay. Question. Ito, tatlong sagot to, mahihili ka lang. Who always gets stressed during a wedding event? Is it A, bride and groom? Is it B, coordinators? Or is it C, guard ng venue? Can you repeat the question? Na-excite kayo, Diyos ko. Ulit Who always gets stressed during a wedding event? Bride and groom ba? Coordinators or guard ng venue?
It's letter B, coordinator.
Very good! We can give it to him. There you go. Oh, yan. Inaabot na sa'yo ni Sian. Ayan, okay. Ay, Diyos ko naman. Okay. Isn't it amazing?
Amazing!
Yes, okay. One more. We need a couple. A couple, please. We need a couple. Ayan. Alright, sige. Okay lang yan. Okay. Sino po ang couple na darating? Ay, sila. Okay, si Ma'am at si Sir ulit. Okay, ganito yan. Okay. Kanina kasi, we've asked for a pick-up line. Okay? Kasi nagbigay sila ng pick-up line, so tuwan-tuwa sila lahat. Pero ito, ano ang wedding vows nyo sa isa't isa?
Magmahalan hanggang sa kamatayan.
Sama habang buhay.
Actually, I was supposed to ask this one before it, but we're gonna ask this question again. Exactly. Yes. Sian or Rocco, what is your vow to Rocky?
Wow, para kay Rocky. Oo. Ah, man. Ang hirap naman nun. Wow. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng vow? Papadefine naman. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng vow? Vow yung promise to each other. Since hindi ko pa alam kung anong, maybe I can say I promise to always be here for you.
Siyempre ganun din yung sa akin. Lagi lang ako nandito para sa'yo pag kailangan mo ko. And, yun. Tingnan mong ganito sa tabi mo, ganyan. Yun lang.
Okay, palakpakan naman po natin sila.
Picture! Picture po!
Yes, of course, the ampao goes to them too. Okay,
Alalalala. Siyan.
There you go. Okay. And of course, once again, palakpakan naman po natin sila ulit for giving us a wonderful event today. Thank you very much, Kim Chu. And of course, Sin Lim. Thank you, thank you. And of course, di po natin makakalimutan, Kat G. Ayan. Okay, there you go. Sige, tapusin na natin ang picture. And together with Kat G as well. Kat G, you're gonna have your pictures taken with, of course, our stars for tonight. Kim Chu and Sin Lim. Kat G, pa-picture po tayo. And of course, right now, just a little acknowledgement. We want to say thank you for coming and of course for sponsoring us today. For the box screening sponsors, Mr. A, Miss A and Miss P.I., you know who you are. Doc Nympha Aguila, Tita Carmen Tadiosa, Tita Ann C, Kaji London, Kaji USA, Kaji members around the world. And of course, special thanks to the Kaji members globally, especially to Kaji USA, Kaji Philippines, and all Kaji provincial representatives, and of course, Kaji officers. Graphic artists Jerry Christine and Faye Medinilla, official photographer Tef Azana. We also want to say thank you to Judith Salahog, Ellen Sonza, and of course Azilgo. Ayan. And of course for coming Miss Lakam Chu and John Paul Chu, Tita Marian Cruz, Grandma Leonida. And of course, ayan, sa mga cousins, relatives of Sian and Julie's Bake Shop. Ayan, Kim, and of course, ADSC and Philharmonic Orchestra. Thank you very much. Ayan, maraming salamat po, ladies and gentlemen, for coming. And of course, once again, ladies and gentlemen, please share this wonderful movie to your friends. Ask them to watch this one. Well, definitely you're gonna get something. Lahat, I'm sure may enjoy po nila ito. A good feedback and definitely lahat po mag-enjoy dito sa palabas. Okay? Alright, so once again, ayan, I hope that you guys are enjoying the show, or you enjoyed the show rather. Okay? There you go. Kat G now is having their pictures taken with everyone. Okay, check it out. Kasama ko dyan. Alright, so we're gonna have a group picture na lang rather than doing this one by one. Okay, as a group lang po ha. Makamas-stress yung newlyweds natin. Oh, wait lang ha. As a group lang po. Okay? Yeah, because we're gonna have a long time to have your pictures taken and baka abutin tayo ng 8 a.m. in the morning. Okay, alright, yes. Yan, okay. Well, as a group, if you guys are a group, if you're, more than 5, we'll definitely have your pictures taken now with our celebrities here. Yeah. Oops. Sabit. Okay. Ayan, once again, Kat G, thank you. Yeah, as a group, ayan, okay. Now, of course, Kim Chu and the CM is now going